Hello, this is Dave with Just Jeep and Stuff. This is my 2014 Wrangler JKU. I have mounted one of my Weekender Series cargo roof racks with the attachment system. The attachment system on the side mounts securely to the drip rail, and then it also lays on top of the curvature of the roof. The roof rack is suspended at least 1.5 inches over the roof on the eaves. And since our Jeep Wranglers have a slight rise in the center of the roof rack clears that roof approximately about 1 inch in the center to as much as 3 inches in the back, as I've tried to keep the rack fairly level even though the back of the roof slopes away. It's all made of structural steel, it's all welded, and in the back you can see how the roof stays a little bit higher and is secured with a back bracket that slips into the hinge. At no point there's any contact with the roof rack on top of your Wrangler hardtop roof. It's clearly suspended above the roof all the way around.